Let's talk about what's actually happening in 2025. Last month, first, the trust gap. Adobe's 2024 Digital Trends Report found 68% of consumers, aged 18 to 24, trust individual creators more than brands, especially when content feels human, not polished, not perfect, just real. McKinsey's 2025 Creator Economy Deep Dive confirms this. Creators with under 5,000 subscribers see 42% higher engagement rates than brand accounts because they niche down. They don't try to be everything to everyone. They become the go-to person for one specific thing, like budget cooking for college students or AI tools for small-town photographers. This isn't about replacing corporations. It's about leveraging your unfair advantages. Advantage 1. Agility. Shopify data shows solo creators launch new content 7x faster than corporate teams bogged down by approvals. Where a brand might spend weeks planning a campaign, you can test a CapCut short about fixing shaky iPhone footage overnight. Advantage 2. Authentic tools. Free AI tools like CapCut S, Auto Captions or Canva S, Magic Studio R&T cheats, they re-equalizers. Let me share what's actually working right now. In Q1 2025, Tubefilter tracked 1,200 new mic creators. The top 25% all did three things. They niched down hard. One creator focused only on TikTok templates for local bakeries. They used free AI tools to scale, not to replace their voice, but to amplify it. They monetized early with hyper-specific services, like I'll edit your first 3 reels for $15 on Fiverr. No six-figure claims, just sustainable growth. One creator I spoke to, a teacher in Ohio, made $127 in her first month offering CapCut templates for classroom announcements. Her secret? She replied to every comment for 20 minutes a day. That built trust, and trust builds business. Here, the trap to avoid. Comparing your Chapter 1 to someone else. Chapter 20. Corporations have resources, but you have something they can't buy. Authentic connection. Adobe's data shows comments from creators boost engagement by 210%, but only if you respond genuinely, not with bots. Not with copy-paste replies, with real human moments. So what can you do today? Step 1. Pick one micro niche, not travel. Budget hostels in Southeast Asia for solo female travelers. Step 2. Use free tools, CapCuts, Auto Captions, Canvas, AI Image Generator, or YouTube's own transcription tool. Step 3. Offer one tiny service on Fiverr or Ko-fi. ILL, write your first YouTube short script, $4.5. No grand promises, just real value. This isn't about out-turning Nike, it's about building something real on your terms. Comment niche below if you want my free checklist. 5 data-backed niches for new creators in 2025 based on Google Trends plus Shopify data. Remember, YouTube rewards consistency plus authenticity, not viral dreams. Your superpower isn't a camera or AI tool, it's showing up as yourself every single day. I'll see you in the next one.